Was in printing, and then I was an iron worker. I worked in the shop on the fabrication. So I bought it about 8.5 years ago. I used to like to garden and build things. Like when I first moved in here, built a shed. Shortly after I moved into this house, I fell and landed right on the bottom of my spine, right out and back. And since then, it's progressively got worse. It's limited what I can get done because my back hurts, and it's been really rough.
Well, this gentleman basically was having trouble getting in and out of his back of his home. So we designed and built a wheelchair ramp.
I was just wanting like a ramp if I could, or some handles to get in and out. And they have done so much more for me.
We overwhelmed him in a big way. He was asking for a ramp, and he got a lot more than a ramp.
I think we got about 20 volunteers out of 3 areas from Equipment Share.
Oh goodness, we've had several projects. We built a handicap ramp coming out of the back door. We're building a fence now. We've put posts on this carport here that was rotten. We've done some yard work up front, trimming bushes, putting in a sidewalk, some mulch. It's been a fun project.
I didn't know that I could really get help done for me because I'm so used to doing everything myself. I couldn't believe somebody would do that for me, and I'm very appreciative of it. It's just kind of amazing to me that they go above and beyond the call of duty to help us do that.
I kind of get emotional about it when I think about it because we've all been there, I think. We've all needed help at some point or another in our life. And so when the community comes together like that, it's just such a good feeling.
I really have a great affection for these people because I really think that they care. They're doing this because they care.
It's always rewarding to put in a full day's work. The most rewarding part is knowing that this is going to help somebody in the end.
It's a feeling that you just you want to do every single day, and I get to do it.
I want to stay in their house more than anything, and what they are doing is going to help me do that. I think I can.